wanna rise up, get up, get up, get up, just wake yourself up.
Igama lami Zama Mthethwa, ngenza Herbalife. I started Herbalife 2018. My sponsor is Rich, and the reason why ngaqala Herbalife just because I wanted the extra income of which I'm getting now. Herbalife is not about extra income, it is about changing people's life. So that is why you must get lots of people to be in your business. Rich introduced me to a product, okay, which was shake, aloo and tea at that time, 2018. Then, because I used to fast a lot for myself to control my body weight, after that she introduced me to shake, aloo and tea. I started using shake, then I saw the change on my face. I had a glowing face. The reason why I am so grateful to be the part of Herbalife, when I first came where I am staying, I didn't have a bed to sleep. I was sharing the flats with my roommates and I didn't have food. I couldn't afford anything. But now, if you can look at back where I'm coming from, I am grateful because I do have a bed. I am sleeping in a big bedroom.
If you wanna rise up, get up, get up, get up, just wake yourself up.